How to create Instagram carousel posts with Canva. Want to make swipe-worthy Instagram carousels? Let's create one in Canva step by step. So first, go ahead and open up your Canva and then set your size. Instagram carousel posts usually use 1080 by 1350 pixels for portrait format. So for example, you want to use a template. Simply head over to the templates tab and then use the search bar to search for Instagram carousel. And then on the results, you should find all of the templates you can use for creating a carousel post. So for example, your carousel post is an educational carousel post. So simply select what applies for you and then click on this customize this template button. And then from here, simply change the text and the background image of this specific template. So once you change that, that will then fit the design you want for your Instagram carousel post. And that is how to create Instagram carousel posts with Canva.